charging hub.
Yes, charging hub, 2 batteries. 1 battery in drone.
So how I open it, the battery?
Drone. Okay.
Okay.
Open here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Please insert the memory card actually.
Memory card here. Charging here.
Please insert it.
Okay.
Turn on.
Huh?
Turn on. Please.
No turn on. No battery.
So if I face any problem,
Just bring it back here.
and where's the charging hub actually?
You charge here. You can charge in the drone, or you can remove battery, put inside charge.
So drone charger inside this bag,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Extra propellers, charger.
Okay. Can you please insert the glass plate in this?
Yes. No problem. So I'll have to do it there.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So if I want to buy RC remote control extra, so how much I need to pay? RC drone only?
The controller.
RC remote controller only?
That one we don't have at the moment. We have to wait our supplier for pricing.
Okay. So if I pre-order,
Pre-order again. I have to ask my supplier for pricing.
how many days it's next?
At least 1 week.
1 week.
Yes. If they got stock, maybe.
So it's possible, right?
Yes. But this is better. This is already very good. You don't have to buy another controller.
Only RC 4 working with RC.
RC2, yes.
RC.